Suffix in IUPAC naming. The suffix can be of two types, primary and secondary. The primary suffix is dependent on the saturation of the carbon chain. If the chain contains only carbon-carbon single bonds, the suffix -ane is used. For example, ethane. If it contains a carbon-carbon double bond, the suffix -ene is used. For example, ethene. If it has a carbon-carbon triple bond, the suffix -ine is used. For example, ethyne. If the carbon chain has more than 3 carbon atoms, then the position of the double bond or the triple bond is also mentioned along with the suffix. For example, but1-ene and but2-ene, or but1-ine and but2-ine. If there are multiple double bonds with the chain, the suffix -diene is used. For example, propadiene and buta1,3-diene. The secondary suffix is dependent on the functional group. If the compound contains functional groups like OH and CHO, its name is obtained by attaching the suffix OL, in the case of an alcohol, or AL in the case of an aldehyde, to the primary suffix of the parent hydrocarbon. For example, CH3OH. The word root will be meth, since it has a single carbon. The primary suffix will be -ane, because it does not contain any double or triple bonds. Since the compound contains the OH functional group, the E at the end of the primary suffix is replaced by -ol, and the name methanol is obtained. For CH3CH2OH, the word root is eth, as it has 2 carbon atoms. The primary suffix will be -ane, as it does not contain any double or triple bonds. The E at the end of the primary suffix is replaced by -ol, and the name ethanol is obtained. Now let us consider an aldehyde. If we have a CHO group connected to the main chain, as in CH3CHO, the E in the primary suffix is replaced by -al, and the name ethanal is obtained. Note that the C atom, which is part of the functional group CHO, is a part of the main carbon chain. Hence the primary suffix is eth and not meth. If the main carbon chain has 3 or more carbon atoms, then the position of these groups is also mentioned along with the suffix. For example, propan1-ol and propan2-ol.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Maski.